it's Brooke with WTI. If you want a smooth shave and you don't want a rash, you got to check out Gillette's Fusion5. This is their men's razor. I love how this works for our family. This really is a quality made razor. You have a 6-blade refill in addition to the 1 blade that's already on your handle. And this is good for at least a month. We feel like we get even longer with these razor blades. It's nice to have the backup as well. And you'll notice that there's a lubrication strip on there which softens the skin, giving it a nice clean shave, along with the soft microfins, which is great for preventing those annoying rash burns or razor burns that can be with some less quality razors. The quality and the price of these is amazing, and it cuts that hair so nice and close to the skin that it helps prevent that dreaded 5 o'clock shadow. It also has the precision trimmer for those difficult spots, especially the sideburns or even around your neck. And it makes a huge difference using a nice razor. We love it, but that's just my point of view.